We are making the viral gulab jamun cake. It's very delicious to eat. It's very amazing. You must give it a try. So for that I have taken 1 cup of milk powder, which is easily available. You can find it in a grocery store. I've taken half cup of flour, all-purpose flour. I've taken baking soda, baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder inside it. I'm going to mix it all together. I'm using these kind of measurements for the baking. Always use the proper spoons for the measurement for baking. So I'm going to also put in the 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder enhances the flavor. As you know, in gulab jamun we taste the cardamom flavor. Also I've used 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can also substitute it with ghee if you want. So I'm using butter in it. I'm also going to put half cup of sugar in it. I'm using half cup of milk, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of yogurt inside it. This is the liquid ingredients. Also you can use rose essence. I didn't have any rose essence, so I used rose water in it. 1 teaspoon of rose water. It gives a very good flavor. Rose water, rose essence. So I've taken a round tin and a round pan, and I'm going to bake this batter for 25 minutes on a 180-degree centigrade preheated oven. Make sure you only keep it for 25 minutes and not more than that, so you don't want to burn the cake or over bake it. So we're going to bake the cake in a separate pot. I'm also going to make the sugar syrup. In 1 cup of water I've added half cup of sugar, and I've put 2 cardamom pods in it, and I'm going to let the sugar boil and dissolve in it because I need a sugar syrup. So it has to boil for 5 to 7 minutes, and then the sugar syrup will be ready. So you need the sugar syrup to become a bit change in color. It will become nice, a bit brownish color. Just give it 5 to 7 minutes, and then the sugar syrup is ready. As you can see that my cake is baked, and I have poked the fork into it so that I can put my sugar syrup inside it, so that the cake can soak up all the syrup. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to add in the sugar syrup inside the poked cake, and it will all drink up the syrup. Now as you can see, the syrup is drenched in the cake, and I have decorated with some almonds and pistachios, and my cake is ready to be served. Let the cake cool down and then serve it. And this viral gulab jamun cake is just divine. You must give it a try. Very easy ingredients and very easy to make as well. So if you like the recipe, please share and follow.